Okay, so we're about to attempt to repair this damaged shingle on the left slope. This During, as you can tell, these things are super hard to repair, and little shingles are chipping here. Also very brittle, a lot of granule loss. So we're gonna go ahead and put this shingle back in. So as you can tell, this shingle is completely repaired. And there is granule loss from where I'm repairing this shingle right here. Not only that, but also the shingles are very hard to get up, which is causing them to tear. Now we're on the rear slope. We're about to attempt to repair this shingle without damaging these upper shingles here. So the first step is getting these unsealed. That one's good. Now we're going to try to take these nails out. Okay, so as you can tell, this is the during photo. This is the only shingle that really seeing damage here. What I'll do now is I'll go ahead and slide this shingle back in, putting this shingle back in. As you can tell, super brittle at the top there. This one's not so much damaged, this one isn't, but as you can see, the ones that are in the middle are definitely damaged there. Rear slope failed the repairability test. Okay, now we're moving to the front slope here. We are going to try to repair this shingle here. This one that you see right here. These shingles are coming up much easier right here. Due to it being the front slope. You can see this one's already seeing damage just from lifting it like that. Okay. Should slide right out. Okay, this is the during, so you can start seeing them just a tad bit, not a whole lot. Go ahead and put this shingle back in where it needs to be. Line it up. Put an extra nail on that one. Alright, so as you can tell, in attempt to repair this shingle right here, seeing some damage right there, a little bit of granule loss in the corners there, right there. So this shingle on the front slope does not seem to be repairable without getting any other shingles damaged. We're gonna go ahead and move over to the right slope. Okay, this is the right slope. We're trying to repair this shingle right here. We'll go ahead and get all the shingles lifted up here so we can go ahead and start getting the nails out. Oh yeah, these are super brittle. Okay, now that they're all unsealed, now we can get the nails out. Nails there. Okay, this is the During. This one is definitely damaged. This one's starting to become damaged. Now we're gonna put the shingle back in. Shingles here. Get it lined up. Make sure that it's good. We're gonna put the nails back in the nail for this one. This shingle is super damaged. Right there. Starting to see a lot of creases. Okay, so this one right here failed the repairability test.